That's why camera come I need them eat. I first sit down.
You see, if Rasta eat 5 dumplings today, you get 1,000.
You see a whole of dumpling in there?
I said, if him eat that last piece of flour there right now in spray. What? Him bad.
See, you know what I get when I eat.
Wow! You graduate! You graduate, Rasta. You graduate.
You have some French fries out there?
So you would try it?
No, sir.
So you love the goat so much and you really would try French fry goat?
No French fry. I never have French fry for me. I never come to the bar. I never have to goat French fry.
You think that would be nice, Mats?
No, sir.
The French fry goat?
Yeah.
You have to test it for now.
How about that? Oh, Tamani.
Yeah.
You have to test it for now.
I really think.
Ah.
You don't really think so.
Every food that come up, where people come up with, no test it.
That's true, but I just imagine the mutton with the crips. I really think it would have.
With the crips with the flour.
Like look a crispy flavor. No,
Nice,
sir.
Rasta.
I don't think so.
You can't tell us
But
that.
oh, you love goat.
Yeah.
You should have a open mind towards this.
True.
I want to have the French fry.
Yeah.
I want to test it and let me tell you how it go.
Yeah. You not test it on the camera.
No. You have to test it first. And she say it can work. And let me tell you some boy, Martel, we'll put this one.
Oh man, you have to just do it one time and make we lovely fans and see it. One to when me run the experiment them. You did see me do the underground chicken test it on my yard first. Me just do it and feel on camera and try again. See?
Alright. You are going to do it. No worry.
Yeah.
We are going to do it when you are going to do it. We are half cook it.
Yeah, naturally.
Half cook it
If
first.
we not half cook it, man,
You
remember
can't cut
a
up that
French fry
little slice
rubber.
there. You want to know? It's when you go buy the goat.
I see them as it is.
No, them can't chop it up.
Them have to deal like when you deal it.
Like when you go to butcher shop, you
Like
chop
when you deal
off.
with pork.
Ah.
No, man, tell but no, to that. No to that.
Like when them a jerk.
No. That's an
It just spoil the
no
reasons,
to that.
Rasta.
No pork reason.
Why am I?
Not tell nobody bring that nice language.
Why am I use pork as a comparison?
Use something else.
Compare it with something else,
Yeah,
man.
but don't bring that one. That one don't.
So
bring it.
where's jerk? Where's them parboil before they jerk it? No pork.
No, they are parboiled beef too.
What you thought?
No, we don't.
man.
No, not that. No, that one. That one don't already have blouse on the skirt. No time at all. That the devil that can't work.
Let's say you're going to do it.
Me?
Just
Me?
I use it as an example, you're going to do the
We
goat.
don't know we not use a egg here, so. So we don't know you tell about example. No egg not there, so I cold me I put knife fire.
So how we are plan for give it today with this a coal that we are putting on
Well,
fire?
right now, we are cut some greens and yam and saltfish today.
Greens?
Greens and yam and saltfish today night Sunday morning.
You will eat greens,
No, I
so
don't
cook greens.
eat
That.
Callaloo. I never say I eat Callaloo.
You say you eat greens, all greens.
All greens.
The only greens you say like I curry goat.
That's why he ain't so ignorant there, man. Right?
Yeah, man.
True, I greens. Oh,
Greens we are dealing this morning.
you might do it with frustration.
No, no frustration. A Sunday morning this, you know.
Rasta,
Where you get from
you have to
Sunday
do
morning?
this with
That's
love,
your
same
question.
way, yeah?
Where your mother did cook on Sunday morning? Greens and banana.
Yeah.
That's what I do with
Or
greens
with some fried
Fried
dumpling, something, yeah.
Greens and bread.
I said, you know we're half full? When they cook all Callaloo, and then put the bread in it and the bread goes suck
Stop
up.
up here. That's not nice.
Disgusting, man.
That's
But as a youth still when now get it, we have to limit it.
when they suck up that little grease there,
It's
no.
half full, man.
Jesus Christ, I'm not ready, so. That's why it's a fried dumpling.
Yeah.
If me have the fried dumpling, it has to flat. Me can't
Yes,
take
I
it.
flat dumpling.
Yeah, me can't take it one of my stay so.
The ball.
Yeah, the ball. Cause it's the inside, me can't try that. Because like in a fried. Yeah, man, whether they flat out, brother. No, tell them lie, man.
So you like all fried dumpling then, like when you boil the dumpling and refry it.
That nice.
That you like.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, that nice.
Yeah, that nice. Cause it have a little crunch on it them time.
What?
Then.
That's sweet.
You know, say any food overall you boil the day before it, next day when you fry it, bad. Yeah, man, potato and everything there.
Anything at all for near food.
Yeah, man.
But
bad.
with the fried dumpling them still a white flour me really like
No.
fry with nine boy. You see bag of cornmeal. For fried cornmeal dumpling.
If you never have a cornmeal, you know.
No man, it could have still come out
Come
properly.
on, good to me there.
You know your
That's
Rasta
good
say you
to
can
me
use coconut oil pan yan and roll it soft, see me?
You tell you that?
No, not that, not you, the next Rasta.
Because he man
Saglet.
is mad man.
Mad,
I guess I know. And when I'm growing, I'm seeing man have a little.
Him say if you have coconut oil.
Come in, I say, chew it nice something same time my yard. And he chew it in and it start, you see it come up back and I can't bring it up back still, you know, where you while, you know, to be honest, truth.
But with Rasta, you say all that, you know?
Yeah.
Little more say cold sweat. We take him, make the dumplings sag out again.
Hear him.
Run off like a river Nile.
Man.
I tell you to blood. I am now.
Listen me.
Him now.
Make we stick up in. Make we stick up in. I want your leg on me. I last hear that, yeah? I want your leg on that.
Yeah.
I want to cause it in the car.
Yes, man, I want to cause it, man. Listen to me. I can muster. I cannot take muster.
That was a proper reason, that day. Did I did round there when you had it?
Of course. Remember you chop up the chicken, so I mean if you do round there.
First, I never round there when you start to need your flour.
Yeah. Well?
I run at the front. Yeah. And then when Martel called me,
you leave your spirit of you leave your spirit
you
leave your spirit of fear upon me, that's why I
leave your spirit of fear and you believe in love round there with the food and joy with you around there. And you're taking love with you around there.
I want you to test back for can I make 2 flour give it.
No, flour at least I think, man.
You want to need it today?
I mean no, my nails I'm not cut today, so I can't do it. See
that? Polish, you don't put no nail polish.
No, man, no. Which polish?
Now the man said nails don't cut today, so you can't leave no flour today. I never see this yet. Yeah. So you didn't put on nails?
Nah, so you don't grow finger, you don't have a fingernail?
Yeah, but you said nails.
So no nails are more than one, I know one finger.
You want polish
and nails.
They want to polish them dog now.
No, they just want to cut, you know? They want to cut and buff.
Never last, you know.
You can cut them for me, man.
Do this thing.
Yeah, that's how things set me out.
Feel the greens are bad still in Rasta. Hey, Rasta, man,
everything you talk about bad. Anything we bad, you know, that's way.
True.
Listen me now.
You talk about good, man. You always talk about good, man.
The score what I give you never surprise.
Me can't surprise.
You expect it?
Because me expect that you go give me.
I fans them surprise Rasta when they hear him say this at 12, and them I say what? Then surprise them I say 12.
This a man always we are dropping school.
We are give you 3 and 8.
But Rasta, me tell you, man. Yeah. The brown stew go the bad than the
one. Now it's curry one. You know say Martel. Look like you lick it too, you know. Yeah, man. If you tell me say brown stew better than curry, you lick it, man.
So everybody have their own preference and
yeah, everybody have opinion. But me know say you like curry.
Oh, if you know something like that.
Let me not see when match it up over here, you say yes, Rasta.
So if I did like the curry more, why me never get a better score than the brown stew?
No, true you want the people them to lick out for you. Lick out for you. That's why you think. That's true, Squidly.
Yeah.
That's why I tell me them thing there.
If you lick them for burn a fire upon him, man.
Burn a fire for you.
He might give you 3 and 8.
And 8 and anything. I know some me have the thing up to date. Straight with love.
To buy it tasting.
Well, all right. Alright, today, we are dealing with some greens and yam.
So Rasta, how much years now you not cook greens? Years, huh?
No, man. We cook greens in our house, man.
But you don't like it?
No, I say me not like it. And I know where me go buy Callaloo. It's like when I show you where they no, me I tell you that. You see people, the 5 people them.
Like when that already is ready, you
see
fresh Callaloo.
Alright, them way there. No 5 Callaloo and no 5 people them where you see them growing up. Yeah. And them backyard where they do all type of food. Me know all them there. So you think, hey, this is an engineer?
Have to protect it.
Have to protect it. Just like you protect the car engine. You now got, if you know say, 87 you use, you now go put 97 in there now.
Yeah, you know that destroy the engine.
Destroy the engine. So then you go feel it. You think nobody say you are feel it. So yes, what you do? Protect the engine.
Yeah, Rasta. Them thing I would like see you with.
Yeah, them thing I like see me. You don't have to me, don't go.
No, the greens.
I got more of it.
But this have more health benefits than the goat,
no? No, health benefits.
You feel yourself fit, eh?
Yeah.
No, yeah, tell.
What this have? This have iron now.
This one gonna be a blood. Nothing more.
Blood?
Yeah, give be a blood.
That's how now we hear you?
That's so good, sir, but...
Yeah, them have some Callaloo. Where you ask what blood now you have to do?
What do you mean?
No, sir.
Yeah, cook this like
a blood get your organs them go...
blood.
A blood get your organs them going, you know?
Having...
You hear that?
You hear? I'm not anemic, I'm not come up back.
Yo, that's something, you know? You say man just eat the greens with a passion.
I don't know where you eat it for.
I have to got greens.
As a youth?
Yo, when me do up a bingy and just a deal with the Rasta thing, there's no deal. Not even a piece of greens.
That's when you just take up Rasta feet.
Yeah, I'm up a bingy. We not gonna roll go by, not all. Everything.
Greens.
Be a green, everything we want, we just go in and feel.
So then you feel like you put down all the Rasta thing when you can't eat a piece of goat.
No, sir.
You'd have the heights way up.
Then tell them, I no come down and my mother leave down as I said, I'm upset, I no come down get me dinner see here.
So when you come down Rasta and come for dinner.
Yeah.
When you go up back, you can't make no meat scent the pine.
Why make?
Flag
Yeah, idiot.
Want to stop by the tank and wash out all the mud.
No, I wash out no more. Them thinking no, say me I come down eat my dinner for my mother.
But he never knows I go to come down and tear it up.
Yeah, they no so that we leave it down. You Rasta know that.
I still accept you up there.
What make? When
Accept you.
when I do
You should turn your back at the gate.
turn back at his gate.
Make you know you not live right.
You not live right. I mean I no meat.
Oh.
I'll no bring you no meat.
And until I live.
Because I don't know if warm team I know for a long time, you know hear from them.
Oh.
Wood while now. The last time I go down there, I look. I say people them not eat and I left all them up on there. You see?
Wow, when you buy it cut up?
Yeah, a whole part tringy. Because you don't know if they strip it off. They just wash off it and just a cut so. Yeah.
And it have washing and salt or anything there.
Take off with the pan there. They don't do them thing there. Yeah. They must say insect crawl up on all greens, you know, man.
They spray it.
The pesticide spray them too.
And them thing there. They don't have to clean it up, man.
Some people cook out that in them pot, man.
Pesticide?
Yeah, man. They don't wash it, man.
Yes.
Them I see, man, all the cut up callaloo. When I buy the cut up callaloo and I cook, I still have to wash them the same way, you know.
Yeah,
so cure them and cut them up and...
wash it.
Alright, it's
See, man, pull that and throw straight in a pot.
And do so. Then now do it so.
Yeah.
You see it? Anyway, it's chipped up, you have to go back there so go take it off. You see it?
Yeah.
Alright. Then I look again.
So the callaloo can get it soft and nice, Rasta.
Why I don't know it's soft and nice, you know.
So if it was a meat, you'd say yeah, you know? So.
Yeah.
You know, so when you're done, pressure this.
No, when we pressure it.
I remember Rasta.
The goat, man.
Callaloo steam, you know?
Yeah.
Quick, you done, you know? Some people have it on fire till they get all black.
I will tell you.
Overcook.
No crunch.
No crunch in this.
No crunch in this.
Nah, like our local brethren, they cook the best callaloo given so far still. Nelson, yeah?
Nelson no cook no callaloo game.
No, pak chai.
Yeah.
Pak chai.
Yo.
Yeah, pak chai.
The callaloo so like a bark, you know?
It's like it tough.
Yeah. I can't forget put on all nail in it. Yes, sir?
No.
I forgot pressure it.
Yeah, I'm cutting up from this.
Yes, sir? I forgot pressure this.
Pressure what? You have callaloo pressure? But not a brother you're sick in the morning.
It's me actually, you say it tough.
The whole callaloo you can't come. Whole bone callaloo where they grow all long and there. Whole.
You say all out.
All out.
So that means the crunch are enough in it then.
No crunchy night.
All the dinner Rasta you eat off the leaf part.
Yeah. And if
it stick like a bone.
When I have life, you see you do that. I come see the man then cook chicken. Be a chicken leg.
Yeah.
And take off the bone and jot the bone outside. And then
it's a tenderism.
Yo, I watch how they do it. I say how they not jot the whole eye bone. And then them mix up the bone, mix up flour, and all type of that stuff.
I pause it. One thing is you cut up the greens, you have to talk about a train your mind, a trick your mind, so I meet this ideally, though.
Trick is mine.
Your mind.
Your mind trick long time. You know not.
I say you don't want this stick, you know?
I got the greens?
Yeah.
I'm joking, man. Me tell you anything.
So, alright, me ask you a thing now.
Nobody ask me say.
If me should go buy some goat now and come here, I try callaloo one side and the goat.
You right now? Not true. The fluid like so.
Dash it right.
And I say,
chicken them.
Rose of me say I'll goat up off me just give it.
Yeah, so eat this.
Eat this. Right away, I say, see the fresh goat coming along. Deal with the goat. We say, what there?
Yeah, man.
The Rasta, you feel like so the Rasta them it's a be a greens them I eat. And them for near cow, you know, I want to eat meat for near lion.
Nothing can go so.
I mean nothing can go so.
You look like lion to you?
But they say Rasta a lion.
No, sir. We can't be no lion. We are human being. All man are human being. Me not say lion a lion.
You are a real lion because you eat meat.
Me. And Yawa.
Me a lion too.
That's a lion too.
You know something? What that cartoon in here?
Lion King.
Lion King. Yeah, Lion all this, you know?
And when the mother, when he said, oh, and push him over, the next brother push him over a cliff.
You remember?
You say Rasta?
How would he push him off a cliff? Mufasa.
Eh?
Mufasa, they push him off. Mufasa, yeah.
He push him off a cliff.
That's a wicked brother.
Wicked brother. No,
uncle.
I uncle.
Man.
But he man my brother. But if the little you to call him uncle, the next one to call him uncle, the little one we born.
So you watch a cartoon, you ball, Rasta?
Where me a ball for?
Yeah.
So you watch a movie and cry?
No, sir.
Never touch it.
With a paper show you watch, you know? They will stick a light thing where people in front of you.
You never watch movie and cry?
What? A long time ago that still, I mean, but my favorite character dead, man. Oh gosh, man.
Some people know watch movie and cry.
Get addicted to it. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Grow
no,
up
people
bond with the
watch movie
character,
and
man.
cry.
Worse if it's all a series.
Hospital.
That's true, man.
Remember me
Remember
tell
a
that?
movie named Passion of Christ? A whole heap of people in the hospital because of that movie then. You really feel the week start on a Sunday?
Yes, man. A Sunday it start, man.
So if the week start on a
So
Sunday,
far that set it.
why is on a Monday the work start?
That they must know. But because you then get like a church service keep on Sunday.
Bad man, the week start on a Monday.
Sunday.
Sunday, that's what they tell you.
Sunday week start.
Sunday classified
You got
as a
church.
weekend.
I still a part of the week.
You're
That's
mad.
what I week.
So
It's
if
not
you
the
say
weekend. It's a weekday. People tell us it's a weekend.
It's a week.
Sunday is the beginning. And look a blessing start the Monday.
Blessing, so every other day now a blessing.
No, boy, you go
You
get
know why
Sunday.
people pray Sunday,
And they say-
special day.
Really and
more
truly,
than
still
any other day.
Sunday can be weekend still.
On the 7th day.
So fiddly.
So
Why
it's
people? Why
Which
people
day-
take
which day I
it say
said
Sunday
we
week then them say God work on how much day them say him work on?
And
Works
rest
rest on the
No,
7th
but
day.
the 7th
So
day
everybody
Saturday.
everybody just takes everybody take it for that. But then the days them never have no name.
What them take it for?
The Sunday for the
No,
day
man,
where them
Sabbath
where God
day,
rest.
Saturday.
So which day rest
Yeah,
for? I
man.
say rest for the 7th
The
day.
7th day that I Saturday, that's why you have the Sabbath people them go to church for the Saturday.
So if them say a Saturday then, if the Sabbath them say that would automatically mean say a Sunday would have be the beginning day then. Sunday would have mean say a Sunday first day.
First day of week, a Sunday.
But who may I say now, why you make Sunday look like say it's special more than any other day? Yeah?
You know, I guess a religion practice kind of bring the stigma there around
Wait
it.
a couple.
All days
Back to
equal,
the whole
all
Which
day you can
your-
praise God.
Which day are your favorite day?
My
Back
favorite
in the
day?
olden days, I say
Why?
where I from.
A Friday. Yeah.
That are your favorite day? Every day are my favorite day once me wake.
Tell him.
Yeah, every day are my
No,
favorite.
no special
No, no
day.
special one.
No, sir.
Every
Because
day are
when I
my-
wake up, I give God thanks and
Yeah,
say, yes,
man.
Father, me the right around, you see him way, so yeah.
That's the ever
God
reaching a
bless you.
some spot that you have to ball out. Jesus Christ, you know I'm dead.
Long time. Holy patay.
Man, you know I'm dead. See, I'm just
Holy
give thanks to
patay.
life. I'm going to live.
This, you know what this would have nice with?
Some stew pork.
John,
All you get rid of fire. Get rid of fire. I should have some water and flash it right now in the camera. Make it done.
Send in 3 days.
Yeah, I can
Leave.
talk about them then. This one, the goat side of this. Right here now. With a little white rice.
Nice Sunday morning.
Nice on the morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Callaloo, white rice, yam and banana, and goat.
The brown stew goat.
No brown stew, Mr. Man.
So how do you eat?
Him now, but
no
you,
brown
so
stew.
when you eat all of that, you would bother eating that,
What? How you saying?
Ah, you do easy.
Clap it down, man. Clap it down,
So
man.
Rasta. You Rasta?
Clap it down, see with some carrot juice.
Alright.
now.
Now you're talking.
Hmm?
When you gonna make some of that food, some carrot
If you
juice.
buy car, come and we deal with it, man. No, just come.
Rasta.
I don't care nothing to make
Rasta.
drinks.
No, you say you have the Callaloo yes, right now, you see me?
You can make all Callaloo juice, you know.
I tell me, I got to tell you, say you can put some in a dumpling when you need it too.
Wow.
Little Callaloo.
Yeah, eat that, but that's have to cook.
Callaloo dumpling.
Yeah, eat that. Nah,
Fiddle it, no sound
no,
possible.
sir, that can't work. Where you get that from?
Callaloo dumpling.
Yeah, never see Callaloo dumpling yet.
So you have to see it.
Me say we not no Callaloo dumpling now cook yet.
Fiddle it, test it.
No.
Not today.
Not to run out my belly.
Callaloo dumpling.
I say mad.
Yeah, test it.
Well, yeah, you
There's
not
one idea, I'm going to test it out from the front and get where I floor them.
You get 2 hours for Callaloo flour.
I say you can push some callaloo in a two dumpling them for me now.
Yeah, give me my own separate. Put 2 Callaloo.
No, I mean, you can't cook in the same pot. Because I agree enough you hold everything in there. What I'm saying? Can't work so.
They say green of life still in the Rasta.
Green of prosperity and life.
You don't want it.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the green. And the Callaloo you want to go in and have to go out with belly. That way there.
What go out your belly?
You never use it that way. The flour and the Callaloo you out your belly.
No go so still.
Alright? Cook it for
Where
some.
you get the philosophy from Rasta?
Just as when me have it from. Nami.
You know you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nah, come on.
Ever give a better answer, Rasta?
I want to tell him, sir. No must see me there. You're not telling nothing wrong.
Yeah. I try to an idea with the worm still.
Callaloo flour.
You know what I mean?
But if you tell about beetroot flour now and cassava flour, you not sound like you might talk about something. But you tell about Callaloo flour, Callaloo can greater.
You know if you greater Rasta.
But joke, if you can't greater, you can't work in that flour for me.
What you must say?
Mad. People not set. I got pretty up in that
Which
desk.
way you got teeth from Ackee, Rasta?
Teeth, you don't bring that in my gear. No teeth.
Yeah.
Which way there? You just see me go up there a while.
And you talk about teeth, like you know,
I have about teeth.
So Fiddle, you say if I try it yet?
Eh?
Yeah.
Bad man.
So you plan to give him a nice little grade then? When you
Aye.
come?
I don't feel like it'll come out bad.
That's nice man, me eat it already. You Rasta? Like Fiddle learn it now.
Him.
Yeah. So go on.
I boil for him, you know.
But him come
Come back round.
Him go on good because the food is nice still.
Yeah,
How much do you eat that year, Rasta? About 5?
No, sir.
How much you eat?
3.
3.
I give him back piece of potato where they bad now.
The sweet potato?
Yeah, sweet potato is bad, but not tell a lie.
So him go on good. How I score you give him that day?
Him?
Mm.
Although him a sweat,
Yeah.
the day and in thing go on so. You know, I tell him I don't like you.
Now, what you mean do like me?
I give him an about 6 or 8.
Rasta, you know every square I agree.
I give him 10.
Listen,
10 way.
Rasta.
Can cook. What me say? You agree with me?
No, I don't forget 10 because I cook. That don't make no sense.
I don't get
But
that 10.
every score I give, and that you deserve.
Yeah,
you never
yeah.
deserve nothing more and nothing
Alright.
less.
And that we deserve. A joke you
Don't
agree.
fiddly?
Can't deserve that. Deserve
We can testify for mine, I don't know about here.
We get more than we are talking.
Alright, so when you grade him fiddly, now when you feeling deserve I give him?
Yeah,
I just want to know. So that me give him to when you deserve.
but me give him honest scores.
And him not give no honest score. Yo, you not give no honest score.
So yeah, say, Rasta, this is a 10, this is a 10.
But this is a 12. You know me there. Yeah, and you come. Yo, to be honest, you want to see. Yo, we not get no more than
you say,
6. Yeah. No, see how you know we not get no more than 8.
You can feel all that way.
No, I not feel that way. Because guess what? I not feel that way. No.
Yeah.
I know say them a burn you out for the channel. You see me?
Yeah. Hey.
So you deal with flour, man.
So you know, put in my to Callaloo night.
Night 2 way I go get.
2 and 3 man.
3?
Yeah.
3 are dead.
That more man. 3 dumpling.
Yeah, I get more than 3
No, I
today.
can't manage more than 3.
I get about 5
You're
today.
mad. Can't eat so much.
Why?
So you can eat 5 dumpling right now, Rasta?
Why not?
Rasta, me say, Fiddly. Hold on, I'm looking at my pocket. Look for that money. You see, if Rasta eat 5 dumpling today, you get that 1,000.
Put it on the tank.
If you, me say,
say
if you eat 5 dumpling today,
Put it
this
on
a
the
fee.
tank.
Remember, Fiddly? This
Alright.
a fee if you eat 5 dumpling today.
People, when you say all the while I need the flour, don't look on the plate.
You can eat out the flour properly still to make it get smooth, you know.
You see
That's
it?
why the dumpling never ugly so when you're done, you know.
How you say my flour got
You want a little more water and make it get smooth.
Yeah, it me not make smooth flour, tight
Smooth
flour.
like a baby bottom.
Which way you bring the bottom now this also? A flour me I did now. Me no be at all.
They say smooth like baby bottom. Eh?
But I know flour can't smooth like it.
Baby bottom smoother.
Flour. This a dough.
But then if you just want a little more water to make it smooth, it's alright.
Press it in. See there?
So then dry dust, you know,
Look like, you don't see no dry dust.
Fiddly come in.
Look on it. You see dry dust in
Wait,
that?
some move on now.
You see dry dust in that Fiddly? Show me if you see dry dust in
I
there.
see it still, you know.
Fans, may I ask if
Yeah,
them
fancy
see it
fried.
come?
That's the fans them. Hello my fans them. Do you see any dry dust on the flour? We can Pint it out, pan it and show.
You don't need out same rest too, man.
Box across your face.
Finish need it out, man. Y'all go and go. Just finish need it out.
Prescribe.
Yeah.
Cut. You ever give me right score?
Yeah. I'm going wrong run score, I give for you.
You always wrong.
You deserve it 12.
Don't you always wrong, Squidly?
Yeah.
Always wrong.
Some I score them, me not agree with them.
Alright, you're here.
I tell you the truth.
Why?
Nah, man.
You taste something different.
Yes, man, remember, you know.
Yeah.
We not really used to pian. Neither we not used to pian. So when time I taste this a 4 Rasta, and me I taste this a 10, and me here I say 5.
Yeah, you feel
Yo.
I'm setting up the thing up there.
Remember the overall score come off everything of the amount of oil when you use.
Yeah. Them thing they take points here, but Rasta, listen to. Because we have to be fair.
Yeah, it must have me so much.
Yes, you need for take telling sometime.
You see next
Me tell you, say chump all you.
Me I give you special food to you so you have your food. You know, I get nothing more hile in your food. All I meat part, I go come out.
So no gravy, just hile.
Hile me I give you.
Well, you didn't even know if I make gravy. I thought about no gravy.
Gravy dead long time for the Asians ago.
Yeah, Rasta flowing up. Yo, we don't hug the floor today, bad man.
I'll be a plan.
When you make the hug floor, then
No, him need out that door you look a bit so it look like it will.
You fiddly? When the man make the hug floor, then I feel like I pretend say boy something nice me I get.
Jano. Visual presentation alone.
Yeah.
I play with your mind. Let me say that.
So you want a little?
When you done flat it out, we see. I don't know if you take no more pints off of your thing.
Boy, Rasta.
I don't look too bad.
You might learn. Come on far away.
Get away from here now. Get away from here from around my fireside. And when I'm ready to call you, get back here, guys. I don't want to mix around this fireside and tell me nonsense today.
Alright, sorry, may I leave?
No,
yeah, you can leave.
Yeah.
You can go to Riverside, go sit down.
Call you when you're ready.
Call you when you're ready.
So I go on the dumpling pot. You see what me I tell you, Rasta? I saw the floor, Jesus.
Lift up one, make the man see.
Lift up the floor.
Wow.
Yo, wow. You
that?
graduate.
Wow.
You graduate, Rasta. You graduate.
Yeah.
Hold this. Hold this, man. You graduate. Hold this, man. You graduate. You graduate. Yo, look on the floor, people. Just peep, just check back all our viewers of video them and look on Rasta flower them and compare it to them here now.
They are smooth like a baby
Rasta.
backside.
Put in some cool.
Jesus.
You Rasta, you don't think about baby backside?
Yeah. So put in the cool life pot and
Yo.
start chatting. All the while the floor them good.
You deserve a next you deserve a Malta. We're going to buy a next Malta for you.
Malta.
2 you have to bring.
I mean,
You worry yourself, man.
If you eat 5 flour to them, you get 1,000.
Maybe I 6 if you want.
Alright.
I eat all of them on camera, you know?
Then if I can make the 5 dumpling show you.
You cannot eat no 5 dumpling here.
Alright.
Chatterbox this.
Put on 4,000.
I don't know.
Say you're chatterbox.
Put on 4,000 too.
I don't have a palm now, so I don't go bet.
And it's a time span. You give
I look a bit, I should tell you how much I have for me. I eat I go use by your Malta right now.
Peter cut with who over there for selling man.
Fiddly. And the 5 flour you eat is a time frame. You have to eat it in a whole day thing.
Yeah. Whole day? No, man.
From 4 9 man till 4 9. Yo.
Fiddly.
The right temperature that man.
Fiddly. You don't feel like say the vegetables should go and cook before the sausage go in.
Yeah, you could have do that. Alright, temperature the fire depend man, Rasta. It never need for hotter than that.
And we do you think a fish in my fry man, the smoke come out?
You see, season them you put in, especially like all the garlic and the onion. A slow heat make it release its flavor, you know, under the high flame, you know.
Teach me your chef Fitz.
So you should have an high flavor.
Oh, to me you complain.
Flavor, man, tell your flames. I'm quiet so fiddly, tell him the right.
You know like when we teach him the right thing, man.
Talk today now. I'm going to show more high.
Tell her how my grandmother state, you know, when we tell her the right thing, she never bother talk.
What she do?
She just silent.
Your mom.
She must be a home. She a home.
Your mom, you know?
The greens are the Rasta look out today. Sunday. Lock it.
What time now? 1:30. Breakfast just land.
I'm just a dead time.
That you did say?
Yeah.
So we are going to share this one, so we are going. Oh, you say I want the 5 of them? See, make sure you eat them, you know.
A 5 dumpling alone.
Because if you can't eat it,
5 dumpling with Irish
with
and
Irish
everything, you know.
everybody, man.
And you ask it.
You could have put all that Irish in there.
She said, I'm joking in the pod in the Rasta.
I just get 3.
Yeah, I give you 3.
Because she say you can't manage. You forfeit the bet.
I feel by right, I use, fiddly. I don't play, I look perfect, oh.
Mm.
I feel by right, I have to
5
give me a
dumpling can't hold
1,000.
all them plate there.
Yeah?
You're sick in your head, man. You
I
can't hold
mean
like...
5 can't hold it nice.
Put in there.
Alright.
Why you say you can't go in there?
Can't hold, man.
I want to go for my big plate with me getting 5 dumpling now.
But if you not
That
eat
you
them,
want to
know,
do?
Yeah, man.
if you not eat them, Rasta.
I rest upon the same way. We can go for the big.
No, man, when you done, you can't give us tonight, man.
This is my plate,
I shine dish, you want?
Shine dish.
No, man,
Show that this. When 5 dumpling can't go and show you.
Rasta, when we get the gear.
The man want him 5 dumpling in there.
I give him 5. But if he can't eat it, fiddly.
Him forfeit.
No, I'm have to pay me.
Pay you?
Yeah, and that was the bet, you know.
No,
And you
yeah.
are going to win 1,000 if you eat it. If you don't eat it, and you are going to give him 1,000.
Go ahead and get it from the gate.
Yeah?
So I saw bet then.
So if you're certain say you're going to eat it, no, that's why you make the bet, because you're certain say you're going to eat it. You're not poor if you not have your 1,000.
Bet me say me can't eat 5 dumpling. He say my bet Rasta say me can't eat 5 dumpling.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put it in my plate.
The deal was, you eat 5
Me
and
no
you win
deal. I
1,000.
never go up to bush and have bagger. I'm not no dealing.
Rasta,
Yo.
let me
I got with you with, yeah? I don't know what you're talking about.
You saying go now, hold there.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Martin about different things.
Yeah.
Let's look good though.
Leave
Alright,
it to
yes, I'll
people
get
them for it, you know?
With promise people.
No, it must be fans, we lovely fans, I mean, rich people.
Look good, Rasta.
Of them of the final say, man.
Yeah.
We are telling them how it is, but, you know?
Taste.
Yeah.
Taste is no
You know, say
kind.
every time it boil along to the
Taste
tasting
test.
part of
In
the
get
thing,
in
Rasta,
get
you
in
get
get
nervous
boisterous.
and
You are nervous. Me alone when me a cook. You see anybody around me? I want to chat.
We have to teach us.
Teach. You want to slap out of this
See what I tell you? When it boil long to your taste time and you come and behave like a hooligan.
Hooligan. And you want to slap out of this.
I can't even over here. War.
Yo!
You know always I try war me down when me a deal with the thing the right and proper way. It was a martel.
Me?
Yeah.
No one give me the right score. No one just give me half and half every time.
No,
So
man, Rasta.
like you drop
Here,
off.
4
Right,
and
so now
8.
And 4 you come upon me and give me. Eh?
We never get a 4 yet.
Yes!
But 2 just look like a today. You go get the 4 yeah, ball.
It's all right.
Show them all go on. Oh, you take out some of my grace. Oh,
Where breeze there?
see
So-
time?
I'll just seek enough your knowledge that complexion. Yo.
Remember, you know, if when you're done, you get 2 more if you eat the
2
flour,
more
then
wa.
2
And
more
where you put
flour.
on my plate and run the thing, you know. Remember me tell you that guy, where you put in there, give me. Where plate where you give me?
Anyone that plate?
The one with 5 man.
Me don't know which one you put with it.
Alright, take up one. Alright, man, I go.
Me move that one.
My review first, Fiddly.
Yeah, Rasta don't like reviewing himself. So I take for you 1 second.
Nah, no review for going one of
Nah man, you do that last week, we need it
Yeah,
today.
we need a review today. Cause today this come here on 6, you know. You see me? This come here on 6 today.
6 today. I'll just seek enough your knowledge.
Yeah, man. Fiddly. On 6 today, man.
Don't know. Why you say that? Come, give me a reason. Elaborate.
The taste too high, tall. You know you hear the Fiddly?
Rasta.
Seek that backside there, you watch at the year. But it is too high, tall.
What you must say?
Yeah, man, you could have passed one real Rasta to this high, tall.
You never eat Ackee and Callaloo yet. That's why you chat so today.
So the flavors them, what go on? Them 1 point, half point, what go on?
It's alright, man, but I don't know if it's a wow, you know?
No wow, no nice.
You ain't catch one no meat, you can't ball out wow.
Just look at nutrition.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me
yeah.
I show you.
I don't
Anybody the goat cook today, you that hear, wow! But you are greens now, are you call for greens,
But
you know?
you can't eat Rasta.
What me tell you, are you call for greens? That goat, me say.
Real traditional Sunday breakfast, huh?
Yeah. Eat there.
It's bad still Fiddly, but I want 6.
No bad. If it is bad,
On 6.
you eat it.
Alright.
6 you give me. That you really say? What are you mouth today? And you chew your teeth knife in the floor, so? Eh? Look how much that dice on the floor. Look at look at the teeth and print out. You know?
And I tell you about
And I
6.
tell about 6 every day. You see it? It's
If
alright. It's alright.
How much you give yourself now?
Me? And me I chef, me always up and running. So me not.
Yeah, eat to the restaurant.
And not, if you ain't couldn't eat over here, but I eat it for them. If I can't eat, you can't eat.
Rasta cut up for him and them like a baby, you know?
I go and feed.
We Sunday morning breakfast, Callaloo and thing.
Yeah. So much
Oh,
you
nice.
nice. Yourself all time.
Me? Straight 10.
Strictly.
Strictly.
For this,
Yes, I Sunday morning breakfast and I really
not trying to help you though.
We really that was Sunday morning breakfast. Yeah. So it tastes. Nah, up there. Nah, tell a lie. Yeah?
Can eat to the restaurant. And then worse, this never eat. You can go on.
All this
So-
cook out the road, people run it down.
So you get a solid 6.
Tell him.
Ay, yo,
May I make you give them a review? You fit?
my piss you off, Rasta.
Now
Give
tell
them a
us
review.
that. No care what me do.
Yeah, wow. You get 12 for the
You give me 12.
So if you want to take 2 off, I 12 for the put pint
Yeah,
and
I
call
did.
it 8. See it with the 8 again.
Yeah, you see it there, Rasta, you're good then.
I hate you like say we be a hate a year. Quickly. Give me ma, give me phone. Make him come review it 2 hours. So.
Ackee, I want to test what's with this Callaloo. Ackee never need none of this, Rasta.
Right. That's all.
No.
It's alright.
Watch out now.
They're going to do that and give me.
We can't take them out here, but you see, in a blending like, it don't really make a difference. Come like a Callaloo, same way, but it's alright. It's ital. Yes, Rasta, the other two now.
You can't go like so me can't eat.
Then by now, if you complete it, it's a
Yeah, no
dough.
frozen.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So you don't want no more greens on it, Rasta?
Yes, me have enough green.
Let me see it.
Looking at my plate.
Yeah, I feel, I go throw down one more flour in the Rasta, a little more greens.
Alright, nothing wrong. The last piece of flour this.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You take-
But I 5 flour then give me. You eat 1. And dash that you then eat half a full one. You dash 2 and
No,
a
me
half.
eat off the whole dumpling.
No, me never say
you
it half
eat
no more.
half the one.
I'm not sure it when I feed the puppies.
So why you feed the puppy do that again?
Because them have to eat, everybody have to
No.
eat, man.
Put it in the pot for them.
Everybody have to eat.
You get it on your plate, you should have devour it.
No, I
The
share.
Rasta.
When I get my plate, I share.
I don't like greens too here. I was me alone.
No, but me eat off all the greens.
Yeah, true.
You eat all the whole life beans and left
Yeah,
it.
The green, sweet potato,
Rasta,
Irish.
Me
Yeah, I
not.
go finish that for 1,000 or you can error 4.
In boss man, he can't go no more.
Yeah, no.
See you finish that yet?
You see finish. Where in there? You see a whole of dumpling in there?
Me say,
Dumpling
if
up
him
there.
eat that last piece of flour there right now in spray. What? Him bad.
Bad. So you say,
No,
oh, the 1,000
sir.
said where I left me it.
Right now, me told you put that up. I mean, I think called water with it.
Fiddle, so I bet it's a bet.
Yeah.
American go.
A deal is a deal. I 5 flour, although you don't eat the
Yeah.
Just that.
rest in, you know?
Right, I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
give me
Cook
the
out.
A deal is a deal.
Yeah.
People, you see? Them pay me feed 5 dumplings today for the channel. Dolphin, you see that? Man, pay me 5 dumplings today now. I'm not, I'm someone who get what? 3? I ain't 1. Put my table like your body see.
Yeah, man.
Take a picture. Right?
So you say, how you cook in a week, you know? Give them a heads up.
Now we,
Mm.
until we can come, more time we don't know what.
Well, you want more greens though.
No more Callaloo. No
No more for the year.
No more green
I said
for
to
the
you,
year.
set to fiddle, no more greens.
No, we don't need no more Callaloo. Unless you want to cook it properly.
We cook properly, man.
Chop me a trouble him, man. You see him ready for
Watch
cuss.
it now.
Cut? Me
But
know.
me rather the pop chow to still, yeah.
Pop Joe nicer than Callaloo.
Yeah.
See, I know me still like drink.
Me feel by right, Callaloo, I just want like a serving. It's a regular meat in a dish, though.
Yeah, and done.
And done. Yeah, man.
But this pop chai now,
Yeah,
pop chai have a crunch, eh? Callaloo can't get that.
I true.
Me don't know what you know pop chai is nice about. Nicer than Callaloo to me.
Yeah.
Where's about that, Fiddly?
Pop chow, a better thing, man.
Alright, so.
Alright. Catch a bit, come on, though.
Get up on the next episode, people. When you come in up with what we'll come again.
So, Fiddly.
Subscribe, I will see what's going on in the next episode coming up. Big up on yourself. Man, as always.
Slingshot with a shoot when I come on for the next episode.
No come on, we don't want no common night.